Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. Today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can receive your crypto on your Etoro. Receiving crypto means buying the crypto from a original user that already owns it, or if you want to just invest in it and own the crypto yourself. First of all, to receive the crypto or buy it, simply go into the discover option. From here, go into the crypto, or you can simply search for the type of crypto that you're already interested in to receive into your own account. From here, go on to any kind of crypto that you are interested in. After you go on to that coin, you can see a trade option right here. First of all, make sure to check all the charts, analytics, and many more information about the coin that you're trying to invest in for more benefits that you gain after a time that you try to trade it again. To receive or buy the crypto, simply click on the trade option. After that, you can see that this kind of interface will appear. Now it says how much money would you like to invest. Now put in the amount that you want to buy the crypto in, or if you don't want to buy it in amount, simply click on this add two arrows button and now select the units of the crypto that you want to buy. After that, you'll be able to set the order type and simply click on buy, and the crypto will be received into your Etoro account, into your assets on your portfolio. This was for this video, and that's how you can receive or buy crypto on your Etoro. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.